Greetings, audio aficionados. Welcome back to I Know Gadgets, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of music with the 5 best turntables of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned vinyl collector or just starting your musical journey, these turntables promise to deliver an unparalleled audio experience. Check the links in the description and the first comment to bring home one of these musical marvels. Let's spin into the details. Starting our list at number 5 is the Victrola nostalgic 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player and multimedia center with built-in speakers. Let's uncover the magic that this vintage-inspired turntable brings to your audio setup. A 6-in-1 entertainment center, seamlessly blending vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. Versatile playback options, including vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, AM/FM radio, and wireless music streaming via Bluetooth or 3.5mm aux/headphone jack. A 3-speed belt-driven turntable, 33 1/3, 45, 78 revolutions per minute, with upgraded premium sound quality and minimal vibrations. Expanded connection options, allowing you to connect external speakers or an amplifier via RCA line outputs. Intuitive controls for easy operation, including input select, power, volume, AM/FM tuner, play/pause, fast-forward/rewind, program and repeat buttons, and more. High-quality design with a real wood case, strong hinges, fabric grills, and a well-balanced sound profile. Dive deeper into the Victrola nostalgic experience by checking the links in the description for exclusive insights and detailed reviews. Sliding into the 4th spot is the Crosley C62C Turntable HiFi system record player with speakers. Let's explore the features that make this turntable a true audiophile's delight. A 2-speed belt-drive turntable with auto-stop, catering to both 33 1/3 and 45 RPM records. High-end components, including an aluminum toner with cueing lever, adjustable counterweight, and anti-skate control for precise and confident needle placement. Exceptional sound quality with an audio-grade MDF plinth, pre-mounted Audio-Technica moving magnet cartridge, and a low-vibration synchronous motor. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music from your mobile device through the matching full-range bookshelf speakers. Various connection options, including a built-in preamp for direct RCA output or the option to connect to your existing receiver. Get an in-depth look at the Crosley C62C turntable by checking the links in the description for insightful reviews and detailed insights. Claiming the 3rd spot is the Angel's Horn vinyl record player. Get ready for a high-fidelity experience with this turntable's unique blend of style and performance. A high-fidelity sound experience with a focus on budget and engineering efforts for top-notch audio quality. A premium turntable experience with a vintage vinyl record player, at-brand phono cartridge, and well-crafted woods for unparalleled realism and detail. Seamless integration with your home decor, featuring a natural wood appearance that complements your bookshelf or furniture. Additional features include quieter belt-driven operation, built-in Bluetooth 4.2 input, built-in phono preamp, stable iron platter, adjustable counterweight, and easy installation. Thoughtful packaging and services, making it an ideal gift for music lovers with high-end vintage aesthetics. Immerse yourself in the world of the Angel's Horn vinyl record player by checking the links in the description for exclusive insights and reviews. Securing the 2nd spot is the Pioneer DJ PLX500 direct drive turntable. Let's explore the features that make this turntable a go-to choice for DJs and music enthusiasts alike. A complete package with a headshell, cartridge, stylus, and a turntable with a direct drive motor for superior performance. USB output for convenient digital archiving of your vinyl records. A sleek black design that complements any DJ setup or home audio system. A preamplifier for enhanced sound quality and compatibility with various audio systems. Uncover the Pioneer DJ PLX500 direct drive turntable by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. Claiming the top spot is the Audio-Technica and LP120X USB BK direct drive turntable, analog and USB. Let's dive into the features that make it the crown jewel of turntables. A high-fidelity vinyl experience with a direct drive, DC servo motor, selectable speeds, 33/45/78 RPM, and damped bass construction for reduced low-frequency feedback. Fully manual operation featuring adjustable dynamic anti-skate control, variable pitch control with quartz speed lock, and a balanced S-shaped tone arm with hydraulically damped lift control and lockable rest. Convenient vinyl to digital conversion with USB connectivity and free Audacity recording software. An inclusive package with USB cable, detachable RCA output cable, AC adapter, 45 RPM adapter, counterweight, felt mat, and a removable hinged dust cover. Immerse yourself in the exceptional world of the Audio-Technica AD-LP120X USB VK by checking the links in the description for exclusive insights and detailed reviews. There you have it, the 5 best turntables of 2024. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast, a casual listener, or a DJ, there's a turntable on this list for you. Check the links in the description and the first comment to make your purchase. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow audiophiles, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more tech insights. Until next time, keep spinning those records and exploring the world of gadgets.